The US China trade war just went full throttle. China is hitting back with a massive 34% tariff on all the US goods, retaliating against Trump's latest tariffs. Markets are tanking, but guess what Trump is doing? Based upon certain tweets, he's in the Gulf Wars. Let's unpack this chaos quickly. Here's the crisis. China's 34% tariff have sent shockwaves through the global economy. The S&P 500 has lost a jaw-dropping $7 trillion since February 19th. That's roughly the size of, I think it's twice the size of Indian economy. That's 6% drop on Friday alone. Oil prices have been the lowest since 2021. It's down 15% in just 2 days. Copper has been sliding and recession fears are mounting as the US credit risk index hits to the highest level since the regional bank crisis. And China is not playing nice either. They have imposed export controls on rare earth metals like samarium and many other. They are critical for electric cars and military technologies. They've also banned 11 US companies from doing business in China, adding to their 2025 crackdown on minerals like gallium. Meanwhile, Mexico and the EU and the Canada are trapping the retaliatory tariff on 330 billion of US exports. And where's the President Trump while this market is burning? Based upon certain tweets, they're teeing off in Florida. On April 3rd, as the stocks plummeted, Trump was at Trump National Doral for the Golf Miami tournament, driven around by his own son Eric. And then on Saturday, he won the second round of Seniors Club Championship at his Jupiter course. Basically, that's a good news. And he's heading on to the finals on Sunday. Based upon Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer called him, saying he's burying his head on a sandpit while Americans evaporate their savings. In my view, this is just a little bit of masalas. This masala will keep on coming and this noise will keep on coming, but keep in mind, this will hit the wallet hard. US China trade was around 582 billion last year. And if I add the tariffs on top of it, it's around 198 billion in taxes alone. That's around 1900 per US household in 2025. Based upon the calculations available so far and on the tweets, it's coming around that it will drop 4% or 4 plus percent of the GDP drop. And inflation will climb above or peak to around 4%. Bond markets are actually screaming recession. 10-year note yields just fell below 3.9%. And this World War III of the trade wars is actually spiraling. And Trump is on the center, and so is the United States. And so is the United States market. To stay ahead of this chaos, follow on X on Infinity Anand.